Hello everyone, we are delighted to present our project Career Assistant and AI powered career coach and resume analyzer. Firstly, I would like to sincerely thank Professor Dongyan for his support and mentorship throughout his project. I am Anji Reddy and my teammate Teja will present with me. Our project combines a college information chatbot with a resume analyzer using generative AI. So the abstract of our project is our system interrogates two modules, a chatbot that answers student queries instantly and a resume analyzer that evaluates ATS complaints and a job role match. Also, together they create a unified platform that enhances both academic engagement and career read lines. So the introduction of our project is students often face two challenges: delay in getting answers about college processes and difficulty in preparing ATS friendly resumes. So most existing solutions handle this separately. So our contribution is to merge them into one extensible system that can grow with student needs. The literature survey of our project, previously project like Jill Watson chatbot forcefully that only on answering course queries, while ATS tools like Rezi and JT checking formatting and keyword match. With generative AI, feedback is our more intelligent but still in separate system. So our innovation is combining both academic guidance and resume analysis into one framework. So our methodology of our project is so the backend is developed in Flask with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript front end. So the uh, chatbot processes text through NLTK for tokenization and lemmatization, convert it into a bag of words, vector, and predicts the intent using a neural network. Depending on the intent, it replies with accurate academic information such as admission, fees, courses. So in coming to the resume analyzer, the analyzer extract text from resume, removes unnecessary characters, evaluates them from ATS complaints, job role matching, strength and weakness, and improvement tips. Unlikely traditional tools, it provide role specific feedback using a generative AI. Here we are using a Gemini, Google Gemini API. Uh, the most chatbots just answer FAQs, can't provide personalized help. Resume analyzers are basic, don't give career guidance. Also, they work separately, making it confusing for students. So, our project solves this problem by combining these features in one system. Our our proposed system is a unified platform. It offers students instant academic assistance through the chatbot, role specific career read line support through the resume analyzer. It is a student centric, modular, and scalable, adaptable for future academic and industry use cases. So our system flow is a student choose the chartboard for or resume analyzer. The chartboard process text input, predicts intent, and replies instantly. So and the analyzer takes a resume, praises text, send it to Gemini, and returns structured feedback such as ATS score, job matching percentages, strength, weakness, and missing skill. Uh, it will do. And the code part. So my teammate will explain the workflow and demonstrate.
Hi, this is Teja. Now I'm going to explain the project code and I'm going to demonstrate the project. When it comes to the project code, these are the libraries which we include in the project. And we also included one web application that is called Flask. And here the app is the Flask web application objective. And we gave a secret key for the session. And we included the Gemini API key. And we also included the Gemini 1.5 Flash. Here we are setting up some configurations for the resume analyzer. This is we are giving location to store the uploaded files, and we are setting up limit for the uploaded files. Here we are allowing only two types of files. Here we are checking whether the file is available or not at that particular location, and also we are loaded some chart models and data. These are the libraries, like it consists of huge data like words. And here we are loading a chatbot model H.5. This is the model we trained by using the intents.json file. Here we are opening some files. When it comes to the chatbot function, the first function is a clean up sentence. That means when the user send any message to the chatbot, it's gonna clean the message. It's gonna divide the whole message into words, and it's gonna convert that words into the base form. When it comes to the both function, here we're gonna clean that out. First we're gonna clean the message, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna match the each word into our model. If the word is matched to our model, then we're gonna write it down as a 1. If it is not, we're gonna write it down as a 0, and we're gonna store all the ones and zeros in the array. When come to the predict class, here come to like we're gonna set up the threshold as a 0.25. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna match the user message with the each class, and we're gonna give the probability, and which class has a most probability, we're gonna take it as a result. When it comes to the get chatbot response, here we're gonna match the class with the tag, because the tag is class, and if the tag is matched, we're gonna get the response from this particular tag. And it comes to the resume analyzer function, here we are allowing only dot extension files. If it is not, if the file doesn't have any extension, it doesn't allow any file. It comes to the extract text from the file, here we're gonna see how we are extracting the data from that particular file. Here, as we said before, we are allowing only two types of files. So first one is a PDF, second one is a doc. Here we can see that if the file is PDF, we are using that PyPDF to PDF reader function. We are extracting the data and we are storing in the text function. If the file is a doc function, we're gonna extract the data by using the docs.document file. This by using function, we're gonna store the data in the return in the doc. If the file doesn't belongs to these two extensions, it's gonna write it as an error. After extracting data, we need to clean the data. So if the if in the file in the data, if we have multiple spaces, we're gonna remove the spaces and we're gonna keep it as a single space. If you have any emojis other than ASCII values, you're gonna remove that. And strip means if we have any spaces before and at the ending of the sentences, it will remove it. When it comes to the passage Gemini response, means from we're gonna get the response in the JSON format from the Google Gemini. So here this function will help us to extract the data, only data, without the JSON format. It comes to the analyze resume with the Gemini. Here we are giving the prompts. We are mentioning the prompts to Google Gemini. Here we're mentioning 3 prompts, or the ATS prompts and a match prompt, and the third one is the improve prompt. Here you can see that these are the prompts we are giving it to the Google Gemini. So here we are getting that prompts in the JSON format. By using this parser Gemini for response, we are converting converting from JSON format to text format, regular text format. If you get any error, so it's going to throw an error. When it comes to the web application, by using this root, that means slash means is the home function. So first it initialize the chart, and it will run the index.html. This is the front end. By using this code, we use like a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to run this code. When the user give a message to the chatbot, this function will run automatically. So when the post means when the customer post a message, it will by using the method function, it will receive, and this function will be activated. Like I said, receive messages, predict the class, and it's gonna send a reply to the chatbot. What here we're gonna do, like we're gonna keep the history until we stop the program. We can see the history here. Here analyze means when you upload the resume, when you click the analyze resume, the post function will be activated. It will gonna read the resume. So if you not uploaded the file, if you click the analyze resume, so you will get some errors. This kind of errors we're gonna get that. Once we get the response from the Gemini, you can see the success status will be success, and the file name will be stored in the as I mentioned in the before, to like uploads that static location with the timestamp will be added to that. If you get an error, so this error will be thrown. And now I'm gonna demonstrate how the this project gonna run. So that once we run this program, we're gonna get the one URL. This is the overview of the chatbot. Here I'm giving a message like it comes with a follow like a hi, hello, career restaurant, how can I help you? So if you say just a hi, you will get a response. Hi there, how can I help you today? Like I'm just I asking them like a random question. You will get the response like this. And I'm gonna ask you one more question. Um, so here you're gonna get this answers. If you say bye, you're gonna get that this take care and enjoy your college life. You're gonna get the response like that by using this one. So the student can easily get whatever they want, like answers or how to approach the professors, and like if they can solve their issues easily. And I have one more thing, that is resume analyzer. Here we have two things. The first one is we need to give a role, what kind of job role we are applying for purpose. I prepared a resume regarding like a API engineer, so that's why I'm just entering the API engineer. I'm selecting the resume from a local storage, so I'm just selecting the local storage. I'm just, when you click this, it will take a minute. Two parameters. First one is the strength. Second one is the improvements. The strength means we our resume reach the ATS compatibility. That means our resume is good. Here improvements like yeah, the Gemini is giving some improvements to improve your resume, like a become a ATS friendly. The second one is a ATS role match. Here you can see that our skills are matched to that role like 85%. Like if you want to match your skills 100%, you need to learn the skills. And if you put these skills on your resume, that you will become 100%, your resume will become 100% matched to that role. We have one more parameter, that is improvements. You can see these are the skills the Google Gemini is recommending you to improve in future. Like if you apply for the role, if you have that skills, you will easily you can get a job. Second one is important keywords. ATS compatibility is working based on the keywords. So if you use these keywords in your resume, the resume will pick by the ATS easily. This is my project. So by using this project, so the students can easily analyze their resumes and apply for the jobs. So if you have any faults in their resumes, they can modify it and they can do it by self. So this help the students to get the better jobs, and easily they can get placed in any companies. Thank you. This is my project.